What's good, folks? It's your boy Dookie, back again with Bang. I'm bringing you this video, man. Shortly last week, I did my review of this device, the Blu Vivo X. I said it was a confusing device or a conflicting device because it had a lot of things I liked, but the main feature, what I think was the main selling point of this phone, is the quad cameras. You got two cameras here on the front, two cameras here on the back. You actually got a front-facing flash here on the front, and standard dual cameras on the back. I thought it was lacking. I thought you can't sell a phone with that as your main feature, and then that be lacking. So I was like, okay, I'm not really feeling it. So after I did that video, I spent the last week in Austin at South by Southwest. The music festival was out there all day, pretty much from, around like 2 to 3 o'clock in the afternoon till late in the evening. And I have to say, I walked away feeling so much more conflicted about this device because it really just confirmed everything I felt, but took it to the next level. I'm gonna just start off with what I didn't like. The cameras, you have some moments. I use my phone a lot, especially when I'm out. I do photography, I do video. So being able to take a good picture is always going to be something that's important to me. And I didn't take any of my, actual camera gear with me this year, unlike past years. So, I was depending on my phone to capture everything from pictures of artists to pictures of just the street, video, things like that. Now, in perfect conditions, I'm talking about outside in the middle of the afternoon, the sun is beaming, lighting is just perfect, you could actually get some pretty interesting pictures out of this phone. But even then, the ratios would be weird. Like, I could snap 10 pictures and get 2 of them spot on, but the rest of the 8 would be just, trash. And then in situations where it wasn't perfect, like at night, that would be the weirdest thing. I would actually get some interesting shots out of this phone, but still, the majority of them were just trash. Like, I remember I was going to give this phone, like when I first picked this phone up, my intentions were to pass it off to the Vainglorious Jehovah. She likes taking selfies, and it has a front-facing flash. So I was thinking, she'll like that more than this. We were taking some pictures out, out in the streets, and the first thing she said, man, your camera really is trash. Like, just looking at some of the pictures it took. But then I would take a picture like this right here. I'm gonna flash it on the screen. If you've ever heard of the group Turquoise Jeep Music, they had the song Fried or Fertilized, or Let Me Smang It, like their memes, what I'm saying? Basically meme rap. They were there in performance, and I caught this picture. But in this picture right here, look, you have the 3 guys, the main guy out in front. This is Flint Flossie. Look, the colors that you're getting from this, like even right here, down here on this guy, you're getting colors from the purple lights over here, the blue lights on this side, the red over here. You're getting a nice, vibrant picture. But like you go to this right here, and it looks trash. You go to, these pictures, and you're getting some of the possibilities, but it's just like not capturing the picture the way I would want it to. And then let's see if I can find the other picture. These are some of the pictures that I took with Jehovah. And you will see like any movement, any type of anything, it's fuzzy and, what is going on. And this was in the daytime, really, with nice lighting, like this might have been the best one, but even still, it's just not really a nice picture. Now, this right here is the picture that I wanted to show. This actually was a pretty interesting picture because it's not really the best picture, but given the circumstances, it was a pretty dark club. There's smoke everywhere because of the smoke machines, and you got these lights. I was able to, kind of put this through Instagram, filter it up, and actually get a pretty interesting picture, So I was like, okay, that's pretty cool. That's Just Blaze, legendary producer Just Blaze. That's my homie, Go DJ Knowledge. He was up there performing. You know, Just Blaze either just went on or was about to go on, but he was up there getting ready. So, you know, I was like, that's a pretty monumental picture. Shout out to the homie. He was up there doing this thing. But, you know, that's what you come to expect. Now, for what I liked about this phone, anything other than the pictures, it was amazing. It was really amazing. First of all, you know, one of the big things that you notice at festivals, especially something like South by Southwest, where people are out all day, you know, parking is crazy, traffic is crazy. So unless you have a room downtown in the middle of things, you're really not going to want to be going back to your room to charge your phone up or anything like that. So everywhere you see power outlets, you'll see people sitting by power outlets or trying to find a power outlet to charge up their phones. You know, people with battery banks. Everywhere we go to dinner, there'd be battery banks all over the table. And unlike past years, I didn't take any battery banks with me, and I didn't need to because not one time did this phone die on me. Now, I'm currently in the process, switched over to a Google Pixel XL. Shout out to the homie Scientific. He let me cop this phone from the cheap just to see what it was like. This is the first Pixel XL, not the new Pixel XL 2. But my Nexus 6P, if I left the house at 4 o'clock, did any type of stuff on it, before 8, I'd be needing to charge it. It'd be pretty much dying on me. I was able to leave the house and not having this on 100% charge when I left the house and be getting through a full night, afternoon of social media, taking pictures, texting people, finding out where guys in the city were, hey, you're over here? Okay, let's go over here. Oh, what is this? Oh, we need to find out about this event. Like the whole time my phone was in my hand and I was using it and it didn't die on me. So that 4010 milliamp battery in here is a beast. Monstrous. You're definitely going to get through a whole day with it. On top of that, the actual power, the ability to just jump in between apps and get to what I need. And I will be, you know, searching for an app. I'd be searching for a venue in the South by Southwest app. Then I'd pull up here, like say I do this. I pull up the official South by Southwest app. And I'm trying to find out where Action Bronson or Static Selector will be performing, you know. So I'm in this app and I'm, you know, doing my search. I'm trying to find what's going on. And then I'd come over here to the NBA app to keep up on the scores, to find out, you know, what LeBron and them did. And I was just able to jump back and forth and keep up. Like I was so surprised at the ability to just, you know, jump back and forth, never miss anything, get back into, you know, Instagram and be able to check people leaving me comments, messages, things like that. I was really impressed with this little Helio P25 chip in this phone. So, like I said, there was just so many conflicting things about it because on one hand, like if you just need a phone, if you're looking for a budget device that'll just get you through the day, you can play games and use and things like that, this is a massive device. I cannot find anything wrong with that. But if you're like a media junkie for watching videos, taking pictures, taking videos, and you really want something nice like that, I definitely think you should look elsewhere, and that's why I still contend that I'm sending this back. I already have my situation going to Amazon. I'm about to just go ahead, turn this off. Let's see, power that off. Get all my information out of here and put it back in the mail, sending it back to Amazon. It's just not the phone for me. But I still think that you should check this phone out. That may be conflicting, but that's how I feel. I feel like you might need to check this phone out. You guys let me know, man. I got more stuff coming for you. But I'm going to get up out of here, man. You guys let me know what's going on. It's your kinfolk Dookie. Got a review of this coming right here, this keyboard right here. So if y'all ever check me out for my keyboard stuff, you're going to want to stay tuned for what this is. Holla at your boy.